So now we have here question 5. We're given what sine of t is. And we're asked to we're actually find what cosine of t is. Notice we don't actually find what t is. I guess that would be one route. But we're told that sine squared plus cosine squared is equal to 1. So now that we know what sine of t is, what we know is that the square root of 5 over 6 squared, that's how these squares work, plus cosine squared of t equals 1. So let's go ahead and square it out. Radical 5 over 6, so think of it as just radical 5 over 6 times radical 5 over 6. You're going to square it over 6. So you get radical 5 times radical 5 is 5. It's actually radical 25, which is 5. And 6 times 6 is 36. So we get that 36, or 5/36, plus cosine squared of t equals 1. I'm going to write, because notice I'm going to subtract this, so I'm going to call 1 36 over 36. Right, that is 1. I'm just getting myself right. And then I subtract 5/6 from both sides, 5/36 from both sides. Subtract 5/36. So that gives us that cosine squared of t. 36 minus 5 is going to be 31 over 36. But that's not what we want. We want the cosine not squared, so we take the square root of both sides. So to get cosine of t, now we can separate this square root into square root of 31 over the square root of 36. Square root of 36 is 6. And square root of 31 does not reduce out anymore, so this is what the answer we want to put right up there. Square root of 31 over 6.